Hey, what's poppin', guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and guys, I'm back with a brand new video. I just sure I get this strategy clear, so make sure to watch the end of this video because I noticed some of you guys are DMing me on Instagram and asking me to explain this strategy in more details. So I'm gonna be guys what the strategy actually is in more detail. So stick to the point so you get to understand this smart money concept video, the supply and demand forex trading strategy. Alright guys, this is a very simple scalping strategy that's going to help you make a decent amount of money. If you can stick to the strategy and trade it consistently, you're going to make a decent amount of money, hands down. No joke, guys. Let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so the strategy I'll be talking about is, like I said, the supply and demand strategy. Looking at the I think I was looking at the 30-minute time frame on this on this pair. So let me look at what time frame I was looking at on this pair. All right, let me see if it's the 15 minutes. I was looking at the time frame. Oh my god, this is really annoying. Using a mobile phone to trade, guys, I would definitely not recommend you use your mobile phone to trade because it's so annoying. Alright, so like I saw a very strong supply at this point. A very strong supply at this point. Um, there are reasons I took this supply. That is why I said if you want to learn this strategy I use in depth, guys, make sure to contact me on my Instagram account so I can teach you how I trade live, one-on-one live trading coaching section. I will mentor you live and teach you how I trade exactly, because there are reasons why I took this trade that I won't make too clear here because it's something I offer for my paid students, so I wouldn't want to give that away for free. But I'm going to give you at least 70% of what I did for free. Alright guys, so I saw this supply zone at this point. As you can see, the market sold off at this point. I see there's three strong bearish candlestick to the downside, and as you can see, the price was moving way up, like bullish momentum to the upside. And I've noticed the there are sellers that entered at this point but very weak. Two sellers selling weak selling candlesticks, one strong bearish candlestick. You see the price was just, the best was showing signs of of entry. The buyers were just busy pushing and destroying all the sellers at this point. But guys, something that I saw, and I saw this bearish candlestick, and I knew that, yeah, this is a very strong level of supply and demand, and this is a strong supply. And I took my trade. I took a buy, a sell limit at this point. So once price retested at that point, when I took my sell limit, price was at this lows here, and I took my sells at this at the open of that candlestick wick, and stop loss right above. Although there are ways to refine this entry and get a tighter stop, but for this video, for this YouTube channel, for this YouTube video, I'm gonna make it very simplified. So I took the trade there, and my target was this this lows here where the move all started from, which is at that point, which is I think it's a 3-to-1. I think it's a 3-to-1. Yes, a 3-to-1 on this trade, a 3.06 to 1 on this trade. But guys, let me be real with you guys. I took this trade, and I told some of my students that if you can close out some profit when price gets to 1 point, because I noticed that there's a strong movement on the side. Like, this is a point where this is a break, this is a base, and this is a strong move to the upside. So there's a high chance that buyers could come in from this point. All right. So when we took this trade, and I saw that there's some buyers, like I saw this bullish candlestick, and I was like, man, this is reacting to this zone right here. So I was like, okay, what's up, guys? Let us close. All right, let us close half of our position size on this trade. All right, so we already up 1.9 hours, so we close this, so 0.75. So if we lose this trade, we didn't lose our entire account, our entire risk. So 1.30 on this trade, if you divide 65. So if we had lost the trade, we only lost 0.4%, not even the full we're intending to risk on this trade. I know that's cliche. I know this doesn't sound too good, but this is a free video. That there's a way there's a pattern I used to get into this trade again, guys. I got into the trade again, and that's a video for not something for my paid audience. So if you want to learn, like I said, DM me on Instagram and let's get down to business, guys. So I was able to get in on this trade again. I saw an entry. I probably right about this point. Yeah, I think at about this point, and my stops was below this wick. Was sorry, above this wick. This the last week, the market made before it went down, and my target 1 to 1. I moved my stops to break even, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So you can see, guys, this was a beautiful 1 to 3 trade. We took 0.7 or so on this trade, and we had 0.7 floating on this trade, and we had a 3 to 1 on this trade. So that's almost a 4 to 1 on just this one trading setup. So if you get to understand how trading works easily, you can easily make a good decent amount of money trading. Guys, I think that's all for this video. I don't want to bore you guys with too much information, guys, because trading can be very simple if you get to do the right thing at the right time. Oh shit. Alright, guys, so the strategy is just like one thing. Like, strategy is one thing, and psychology, risk management, how you manage your trades. These are things you need to study and understand, right? So in my trading program, I'm going to teach you how I trade, psychology, risk and all this good stuff. So like I said, if you want me to teach you how I trade, or if you want me to manage your trading account, DM me on Instagram to make some money, guys. Alright, guys, so to be honest, that's all it takes to be profitable. You just have to stick with this simple strategy. Get your risk management and your psychology dialed in, and do the right thing at the right time. And guys, basically have patience, guys. Have patience for the right setup. Like, I don't necessarily trade every single time. Like, maybe in a week I can take maybe like 4 trades, sometimes 6, sometimes 2, sometimes maybe 3. Well, at least on the minimum side, I've taken like maybe 2 trades a week or so. Like, you just have to stick to the point, stick to the plan. And if your strategy is a high window strategy, then you risk a little bit more. If it's a low probability trading strategy, then you risk a little bit less. So guys, that's all for now. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and make sure this video helps someone out who is struggling to be a profitable trader. And if you want me to teach you how to trade, and you want to trade the way I trade, make sure to DM me on Instagram so that we can host a one-on-one live coaching section. And I think that's all. Like, if you want me to manage your account too, you can DM me on Instagram. And I'll be doing live streaming from December. I'll be doing live streaming from December till the next year, December, guys. So expect live streaming every single day, Monday to Friday. Live streaming. I will grow a small account, maybe $100 or $1,000 or $500 to a ridiculously high amount of money, maybe $1 million. Guys, this is gonna be live. I'm not saying $1 million, guys. Maybe I'll grow it to $100,000 or $90,000. But that's the goal, guys, to grow a small account to a very big amount of money in 1 or 2 years, guys. So thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.